Today I got 9 hot selling woodworking items for springtime. Number 1, small cedar planters, windowsill planters, or flower boxes. These things are easy to make. There is plenty of room for some creativity and creating your own designs with these. They're small enough where they're easy to ship, but something that also probably will do very well locally on Marketplace. Number 2, lots of people like the entertainment, or they prefer to bribe these little tree rats to keep them out of their garden, off of their blueberries or their plums. But squirrel feeders and squirrel tables. These are getting great sales. I actually already did a tutorial on how to build the squirrel bar. I'll leave a link for that in the description if you want to check that out. Pretty easy to make, small, easy to ship. Probably could sell locally as well because these things are cute. There's people that are going to want to buy them. And by the way, if any of these other things that I go over in this video, if you would like to see a tutorial on how to build them, please leave that comment and I'll see if I can get to that. Next up, we have birdhouses, probably the second most saturated item on this list. Everyone and their mother is making these. However, if you can think outside the box, maybe do something a little different, you can probably really bring in some money. Look at this one right here, $129, but look at the size of it, look at the detail, and look at the sales. Doing really well, looks really good, looks like you'd get some value for your money. Here's some other ones doing really well. Although I must be honest with you, I look at the price and I'm not sure how they're making a profit on these. I know they are charging separate for shipping, so maybe they're making a couple of bucks there. Maybe they're using all recycled materials, so the material cost is nothing for them, but these look really nice for the price they're charging. So again, I'm not really sure what the profit is. Next one is a pool towel holder. This is essentially a piece of treated 4x4. Some legs on the bottom with 2x4s, and they're using PVC pipe after drilling holes through the 4x4. I did a stocking holder back in December, which is the exact same design except without the pipes and the holes in it. So check that out if you want. Very easy to make. Probably not something you want to make and sell online just because of the size, but making it locally, selling it on a marketplace, I bet you could pick up some sales and you could build these for pretty cheap. All right, number 5, it's springtime. We're getting out, we're grilling, we're having fun with friends. So we're gonna need a barbecue caddy, holding all of our barbecue tools, our special sauces and whatnot. I'm also gonna throw in here wall-mounted bars. These are like for outdoor entertaining spaces, hold some glasses, maybe hold some booze, hold some mixing utensils, whatever. It has a nice little tabletop for you to do all your business. It's nice and convenient because it can fold up and store everything away, keep it all organized. These sales on Etsy are doing really well. I guarantee they'll probably do, they will probably also do very well on Marketplace if you sell them locally. Now is the time. And next up is the stand-up cooler. This is a wooden cooler that you put another cooler inside of it, so it makes it nice and decorative, gets it up off the ground. Some of the nicer ones you can personalize. These sell for several $100s, as you can see. You might not want to ship these just because they're huge and bulky unless you do it in a fashion where the customer would have to assemble them. But again, Marketplace would probably do awesome. Number 7, harvest baskets. I know we're not quite harvesting unless you did some kind of winter garden, but people are getting all their supplies ready for the garden and everything they're gonna need. These harvest baskets are super nice. You're usually using some kind of outdoor wood like cedar, some wire mesh. Some of the nicer ones you can personalize. And look at this one here, over 6,000 sales. It probably looks to me like it was done with the CNC, something that you can easily assemble. Everything is nice and very tight. There were a lot of people selling these, but they were all getting sales from what I saw. And now the most saturated one is the raised planter beds. Most of these made out of cedar. Here's a picture of my local marketplace. As you can see, completely saturated with people selling these. Does not mean that you won't still get some sales, but maybe you can do some larger designs if you're so willing. It's probably not something you want to sell online, but again, this is the season. People are looking for these implements. Here's a couple other ideas. Here's a bucket garden that I made. It's just made out of 2x4s, very simple. Very convenient for people who don't want to really get into that gardening, but still would like to grow, some vegetables here or there, some herbs. You could also make corrugated steel garden beds, which are very easy to make. Again, this would be stuff you're selling on Marketplace because it'd be too big to ship. And lastly, potato vegetable storage cabinets, storage bins. These are things you could get away with selling on Etsy. These things, almost every one that I saw on there was getting sales. Some of these are getting really good sales. Everyone's a little bit different, but it's kind of been a style that's been around for a long time. You can kind of tweak it here or there and make it your own, or just make the standard ones. All right, thanks for watching. Just a quick video today to give you some ideas, get those wheels turning in your head about some easy ways you can make some money online or locally. So thank you for watching. We'll see you on the next video.